Hi there. Welcome back to Daily English Zone. I'm Zoe. In today's episode, we're talking about something very real. Something many English learners feel. Fear. The fear of speaking. The fear of making mistakes. The fear of not being understood. But here's the good news. You are not alone, and you can speak English with confidence. Step by step, with small actions and strong belief in yourself. Are you ready to grow? Let's begin. Part 1. Understanding fear. Let's start with this question. Have you ever felt nervous when speaking English? Do you feel shy? Do you hold back, even when you know the words? If yes, I want you to hear this. That's normal. Millions of learners feel the same. Now let's understand why. Why do you feel afraid? You might be thinking, what if I say something wrong? What if they don't understand me? What if I sound silly? These thoughts are heavy. They stop you from trying. They make you feel small. And then, you stay silent. You wait. You feel stuck. Now let's go deeper. Some learners worry about their accent. They think, my accent is bad. But please remember this. Your accent is not bad. It's your voice. It shows your journey. It shows where you're from. Your accent is part of your identity. Be proud of it. Part 2. Thoughts are not facts. Now listen closely. All those fears? All those worries? They are not facts. They are just thoughts. A thought is something in your mind. It might feel strong. It might feel real. But that doesn't mean it's true. For example, I can't speak. That's a thought, not a fact. The truth is, you can speak, even if your English is not perfect, even if you feel nervous, even if your voice shakes. You can speak. Part 3. Fear versus confidence. Now let's talk about confidence. Fear is not really about English. It's not about vocabulary. It's not about grammar. It's about how you feel inside. Confidence is your belief in yourself. It's your trust in your ability to communicate. Sometimes there's a little voice in your head. It says, be careful. Don't speak. You'll make a mistake. But that voice is fear. It's not the truth. Here's something important. Confidence is not a gift. You build it, like a muscle. If you use it, it grows. If you hide it, it stays weak. So each time you speak, each word, each sentence, you are growing your confidence. Part 4. Fear is a sign of growth. Now, let me tell you something surprising. Fear is not always bad. Fear means you're growing. Fear is a sign you're doing something new, something brave, something bold. Think about it. If you never feel nervous, maybe you're not challenging yourself. Maybe you're not learning. When you feel a little afraid, that means you're moving forward. You're entering your learning zone. You're expanding. So next time you feel scared, say this to yourself. I'm learning. This fear means I'm growing. And I will keep going. Part 5. Strategies to build confidence. Let's now talk about real strategies. Simple tools. Clear actions. To help you build your confidence every day. Strategy 1. Start small. Be consistent. You don't need to speak for 1 hour every day. You can speak for 1 minute. You can think in English for 30 seconds. You can whisper a sentence to yourself. Small steps, done daily, create confidence. Why? Because they become habits. Just like brushing your teeth. You don't think about it. You just do it. Confidence works the same way. Strategy 2. Accept mistakes. Don't fear them. Here's a big reason learners feel afraid. They don't want to make mistakes. But mistakes are not the enemy. They are the teachers. Think of a child learning to walk. They fall again and again, but they keep trying. The same goes for you. When you make mistakes, you learn faster. You remember more. Don't hide from mistakes. Welcome them. Strategy 3. Don't wait to feel confident. Just speak. Many learners say, I'll speak when I'm ready. But what if I told you that day might never come? You can wait forever. Confidence does not come first. Action comes first. Speaking comes first. Confidence is something you build after trying. 1 sentence at a time, like building a house. You don't wait for the house to appear. You build it, brick by brick. Strategy 4. Be kind to yourself. This one is the heart of all the others. Be gentle with yourself. You're learning something hard. That takes courage. If you forget a word, if you freeze, if someone doesn't understand, that's okay. Don't say, I'm terrible. Say, I'm learning. Say, I'm trying. Say, I'm growing. Kindness to yourself is the fuel. It gives your confidence the power to grow. Part 6. What destroys confidence and how to beat it. Now let's talk about what stops your confidence. Let's call them confidence killers. But don't worry. You can beat them. Confidence killer 1. Comparing yourself to others. Maybe you hear someone speak perfect English, and you think, I'm not that good. I'll never speak like that. But you don't know their story. You don't know how long they've studied. You don't know how often they practice. Here's the solution. Compare yourself to your past self. Ask yourself, do I know more than last month? Do I feel more confident than yesterday? Am I still trying? If yes, you're growing. Confidence killer 2. Negative self-talk. This is that voice in your head. It says things like, "You're bad at this. You'll never improve. Everyone speaks better than you." But that voice is not the truth. So try this. Speak to yourself like a friend. What would you tell a friend who's learning? You'd say, "You're doing great. Keep going. It's okay to make mistakes." Now say that to yourself too. Confidence killer 3. Only speaking in safe places. Many learners only speak in class, or only when it feels easy. But real life is messy. Real conversations are unexpected. If you only speak when it feels safe, you stay in your comfort zone. Here's how to break that. Try tiny challenges. Say thank you in English at a store. Send a short English voice message to a friend. Ask one small question in English online. Each challenge helps you grow. Final message. Let me leave you with this thought. Confidence is like a seed. If you care for it, if you protect it, if you give it time, it grows. So don't give up. Don't hide. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start small. Speak today and trust the process. Thank you for listening. You are learning. You are growing. And you are doing something amazing. I'm Zoe. And this is Daily English Zone. I'll see you next time. Keep going. And keep believing in yourself.